The signs were everywhere, but now it's official. We are in a recession. The research group that makes that determination made it today and said the recession actually started a year ago. But the question now, when will it end? Wall Street is clearly worried. The Dow plunged nearly 680 points today, or 7.7%. Anthony Mason is our business correspondent. Anthony, last week's big rally is now just a fond memory, isn't it?
Yeah, what the market giveth, the market also taketh away, Katie. Remember that historic five-day rally, the biggest since 1933? Well, it ran into a bear today, and in one big bite, more than half of those gains were gone. For Wall Street, it was another case of whiplash. The markets haven't been this volatile in almost 80 years. For the past 50 days, the S&P 500 has whipsawed up and down an average of nearly 4% every day. That hasn't happened since the late 1920s.
It's just one of these markets that's just floating back and forth, and we're back on the downside.
The latest slide, nearly 700 points, came as reports showed manufacturing activity hitting a 26-year low last month. And the economy was formally and officially declared in recession. The National Bureau of Economic Research confirmed what many already felt. The recession began last December and may be far from over.
There is no single action the federal government can take to end the financial market turmoil and the economic downturn.
Stocks staged a monster rally last week after President-elect Obama unveiled his new economic team, but the euphoria evaporated today.
So basically, there's a lot of problems out there that even though we have a great team coming in, it's not a magic wand that's going to help this economy.
Many economists now believe this downturn will be the most severe since the recession of the early 1980s, which lasted 16 months and led to 7.5% unemployment and a record number of bank failures. Sounds familiar, Katie.
Yeah, meanwhile, Anthony, the big three automakers will be making a second attempt to get a federal bailout this week. Do you think their approach will be any different this time?
Yeah, because Congress wants to know how they're going to spend this $25 billion in bailout monies, and they're expected to present very detailed plans tomorrow, the big three, as to how they will restructure their businesses to become more competitive. Then all three CEOs will be back before Congress later in the week, and you can bet this time they won't be flying in on private jets.
I'm sure. Anthony Mason, Anthony, thank you.